Now we are going to understand transformer encoder architecture step by step. Okay, so in this video we will focus on the transformer encoder. We will break down its architecture and understand each component step by step. I already said that a transformer has two main parts. First is encoder and second is decorator. Encoder's job is to understand the input text and the decorator's job is to generate the output text. In this video we will focus only on the encoder. Okay, so encoder is not a single block, it is the stack of multiple identical layers. Each layer has the same structure and parameter but process the data sequentially. The original transformer used 6 encoder layers, but in practical we can use more or fewer. Okay, so now you can see here this is the diagram for transformer. Okay, I already said that uh, encoder has 6 layers, but we can use many. I mean many more or fewer. Okay, so I just took here and okay, encoder 1, encoder 2, encoder 3, and encoder n up to n. Okay, so these all encoder has same structure, and these are the like we will talk later about decorator. Okay, now in this video we are going to talk about encoder only. Okay, I already show you architecture of pipeline of transformer. Okay, so you can see here encoder input flow. Okay, this is the encoder input flow. I can write here encoder input flow. Okay, so this is the encoder input flow. Okay, text tokens embedding in positional encoding and encoder. So before entering the encoder, text is tokenized. Okay, I already show you how can we tokenize the sentence. Okay, each token is converted into a embedding. Okay, and then we need to add position. You can say positional encoding is added so the model know the word order. Okay, this combine the representation is the input to the encoder. Okay, so this is the encoder input flow. First of all you need to take one sentence and then you need to do tokenize. You need to perform tokenization, and after this you need to do embedding and add positional encoding, and it will pass to the encoder. Okay, so this is the encoder input flow. Okay, so you can see here each encoder layer consists 5 main component. Okay, these are the 5 main component. Okay, first of all, first one is self attention, second is multi-head attention, third is feed forward neural network, and fourth is residual connection, and fifth is layer normalization. Okay, so these are the encoder layer components. Okay, we already saw how data flow through the transformer. Now we will zoom into just one part, the transformer encoder. Okay, so now we are going to understand this part. This is the this part is for transformer encoder. Okay, so we are going to understand this part. Don't worry about this part. Okay, right part, don't worry about this right part. Today we only care about the encoder block. Okay, encoder block on the left, this one. So here you can see encoder input. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, here you can see input embedding and source sentence. Okay, so encoder takes word embedding as an input. Like if you have any sentence, okay, I love programming. I mean, you can say anything, okay? I love programming language, that is Python, okay? So you can take any sentence, okay, as an input, okay? So here you can see the encoder takes word embedding as the input, okay? So if you have sentence, then you need to do tokenize, and after tokenize you need to do embedding. After embedding you need to add the positional encoding, that it will maintain the order of the word. Okay, so here encoder takes word embedding as the input here. Okay, since transformer process all the token at once, they need positional information. So we need add here. So we need to add positional encoding to embedding to tell the model the order of the word. Okay, it will tell the model that what is the order of the word. Okay, so this combine the representation goes into the encoder stack. Now we move here in self attention. Okay, here in this walk. Okay, so I already said that every encoder has these 4 or 5 layers. Okay, multi-head attention, add and normalization, feed forward. Okay, add normalization and residuals. Okay, these 5 layers we have in every encoders. Okay, so self attention, here you can see self attention allow each word to look at other word in the same sentence. For example, in the sentence I love programming in Python. Okay, so programming may pay more attention here. Programming may pay more attention to the Python. This help the model to capture the context and relationship, not just word position. Okay, so this will help the model to capture context and relationship, not just the word and position, not just the word position. Okay, and so here you can see instead of using attention, we use multi-head attention. Okay, so instead of doing attention once, transformer use multiple attention heads. Each head learn a different type of relationship. Okay, one head may focus on grammar, another on meaning, and another on long distance dependency. All head are combined together. That's why it is called the multi-head attention. Okay, so after attention, here we apply add and normalization. You can say add and normalize. So add means we add the original input back using a residual connection. Okay, so this is the residual connection. We use residual connection here. Okay, so we are going to add means we add the original input back using a residual connection. Okay, so here we are going to add original input back, okay, by using residual connection. This connection is called the residual connection. Okay, so normalize help stabilize training and keeps value in a good range. This makes deep network easier to train. Now after add and normalization, okay, next come to the feed forward neural network. Okay, this is the simple neural network here applied independently to the each token. It helps transform the representation learned by the attention into a richer form. Okay, same network, same weight applied to every tokens. So here after feed forward, we move here add and normalization. Okay, after the feed forward network, we again apply the add and normalize. Okay, so this complete one encoder layer. Okay, now we can say or what you say. the output of one encoder. Okay, this is one encoder. Okay, so the output of one encoder layer become the input to the next encoder layer. Okay, after passing through all encoder layer, we get context aware representation of the input sentence. This representation is later used by the encoder to generate the output. Okay, I already show you. Okay, we have multiple layers. Okay, 1 2 3 4, these are the encoders layer one by one, and they follow same structure. Okay, I already said that. Okay, this thing. So output of the one encoder layer become the input to the next encoder layer. Okay, after passing through all encoder layer, we get a context aware representation of the input sentence. Okay, so here this is this diagram for one encoder. Okay, first of all you need to pass like embedding of your sentence and then add to the positional adding positional encoding, and after this you need to do like multi-head attention and use add and normalization, and after this we need to pass everything here in feed forward neural network, and after this we need to add and normalize. Okay, this is for one encoder, this is step for one encoder. And here you can see we will understand this after some time. Okay, this is the decorator part. So now we are here in encoder. So encoder job is not to generate the text. Its job is to understand the input sentence by building rich contextual representation. Generation happen in the decorator and understanding happens in the encoder. Understanding happen in the encoder in this part, and generation happen in the decorator in this part. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to explain again in like a story. Okay, so word are converted into a number. Okay, with embedding and positional information here. Then self attention lets each word look at all other word to understand the context. Okay, so finally simple neural network. Okay, here simple neural network refine the information layer by layer to deeply understand the sentence. Okay, and if you like you can say embed, attend. Okay, first stage is embed here, attend here, refine here, and repeat. Okay, embed, attend, refine, and repeat.